This is problem 425, printing a specified file under the Java MOOC course and under the section Java Programming 1. So we have the programming exercise asking us to write a program that asks the user for a string and then prints the contents of a file with a name matching the string provided. You may assume that the user provides a file name that the program can find. The exercise template contains the files data.txt and song.txt, which you may use when testing the functionality of a program. The output of the program can be seen below for when a user has entered the string song.txt. The content that is printed comes from the file song.txt. Naturally, the program should also work with other file names, assuming the file can be found. So first of all, it asks the user that which file should have its content printed, and after that the user hits the file along with the extension, right? There is then the contents of song.txt. Okay, so let's try and solve this program. So under this data.txt saying main program Java test projects printing a specified file. Okay, so now let's back into the program and inside our default package printing a specified file. Okay, so we have already been provided with the scanner here. Okay, so first of all, it must ask the user in a specific format, and it just asks that which file should have its content printed, ending with a question mark. Okay, after that it must take an input file name equals to scanner.next line, and there we have a string. Right now, after that, let's use the try and catch block and see if it's gonna work or not. Catch block cnn scanner file contents equals to new scanner paths.get, and inside this we need to pass a parameter file name. Okay, so after that, while file contents dot has next line we're gonna define a string row equals to file contents dot next line, right? And then all we have to print is row. Okay, after that, define and accept exception E, and then simply print this as an error plus E dot get message. Let's try and run this. It says that there should be something called song.txt. Oh, sorry, I made it sont.txt. Song.txt. There is no file name song.txt. So, but we do have a file here that's named data.txt. Let's check this out. There's hello world, so we're gonna say data.txt, and we have hello world printed. So let's try and submit this. But the programming exercise says that the exercise template do contain the files data.txt and song.txt, but I cannot find any song.txt file here, so that's why it caught an exception and threw the error. Let's see if we are correct or not here. Okay, so all tests have passed on the server. Thank you.